Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to show you how to use OBS with Zoom on MacBook. So, first thing that you want to do is you want to access the virtual camera. And if it's your first time using this, you won't be able to access it right away. So what you want to do is you're going to open the system settings, then you're going to go to general, then you're going to go to login items and extensions, then you want to scroll down. And over at camera extensions, you're going to click on the button beside it. Then you want to allow OBS over here. Then click on done. Now you can close the system settings. Now I already have here a Zoom meeting going on. So I'm going to go back to OBS and then I'm going to click on start virtual camera. Then for now, it's okay to just click on yes. I'm going to go back to Zoom, and over here at video, you want to click on the button beside it, and as you can see, there is already the option to choose OBS virtual camera since we've already allowed the usage of the virtual camera in the system settings. Now we're gonna go back here to OBS, and let's say that I want to present a PowerPoint over here in Zoom through OBS. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the plus icon over here at sources, then I'm going to click on screen capture. Then I can rename this to presentation. Then click on OK. Now over at method, I'm going to choose application capture, or you can also use window if you want to present a different window. So I'm just going to click on application. Then over at application, I'm going to choose Microsoft PowerPoint. Then I'm going to click on OK. Now we want to readjust the preview over here so that it will fit inside the frame, because this preview over here shows how your presentation will look like in Zoom. So after that, we're gonna go back to Zoom. Now I'm going to open my camera, and as you can see, we already have here the PowerPoint presentation as my camera here in Zoom. And you can also use OBS to screen record in Zoom. So what you want to do is you're going to click on the plus icon. You're going to click on screen capture. Then I'm going to rename this to Zoom. Then click on OK. Then over at method, you're going to choose application capture. Then in application, you want to choose Zoom. Then you're going to click on OK. Then you want to click on the plus icon again. Then you're going to click on the audio capture. Then you're going to rename this to Zoom Audio. Then just click on OK. Then over at method, you're going to choose application. Then choose Zoom in application. Then click on OK. Then you're going to go ahead and click on start recording. And that's it. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.